basques, one moving away from our partner and one moving towards our partner. Gentleman commencing on his left foot, lady commencing on her right foot. And 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 3 walks down the room and a half a turn inwards to face the other way. 1, 2, 3, turn. 2 pas de basque, 1 out, 1 in, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 3 walks, and then at the end we close together to face our partner, adopting double hold. 2 pas de basque, gentleman left, lady right. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 2 side closes moving down the room. Side, close, side, close. 3 bars of waltzing and an opening out. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and an open out. So let's put the music on and dance the Boston Twist.